I will say that each and every day that we wake up, that we rise up, show up, and stand up, and truly makes all of us essential school professionals that we are. Please know that what you bring to the educational communities on a daily basis in whatever career family in which you serve, you are shaping minds of our most precious assets, which are our children, our future. I promise to make every ESP member and fellow educator of this great organization proud of the choice that was made on this day, as I will stand up, rise up on behalf of the many issues that many members face in regards to public education, as we are forced to fight against, stand up, and persevere in spite of those trying to hold us back. ESPs, we must forge ahead. We cannot stop. Our time is now.